my dear friends. I, Aditya Raj, here standing in front of you is going to tell about zombie virus. We all have seen the movies of the zombie virus. You must have been scared when you were watching the faces of the creatures. You must be thinking that, yeah, is it possible in real? So the answer is yes, it is possible. It is actually not a virus, it is like a bacteria. It has also a name which is very hard to pronunciate. So guys, it is given in a specific form. When it was first of all infected on a virus, bacteria I mean, the bacteria was eating the other bacteria the bacteria was sent, the zombie bacteria was sent into the ants. The ants, when they was noticed, the ants were eating another ants as expected. So the scientists released that ants into the nature. When the ants had gone into contact with other ants, they all started to eat each other. This is how that bacteria infected to more and more people. If you have seen the zombie movies, you must have noticed that yeah, it origin from a first point. And I know one of the movies, that is the Train to Busan. If you have seen the movie, then you must have thought that yeah, it is not possible yet. Yeah, the deer would infect a human, but yeah, it is possible. The deer actually don't see that yeah, the animals or the human don't see that yeah, to whom they are going to do infect. They just go directly and they infect it. Like the lady who was first infected by the deer, it was not the lady was not the first. If you have noticed that yeah, many people like that lady was also infected. When the train started, that the little child saw the man jumping on another man. She noticed, but yeah, she was afraid to say to her father because her father was actually sleeping. This when the lady became the zombie completely, she ate that train worker. That train worker was very badly infected, and they all started eating each other. This is actually how will happen in the future, and this has happened in the ants also. When the ants then when the ants see in contact with each other, they jumped on it. They don't run. They just jump to get short, to cover the short distance except of running. In the later movie, if you have watched it, then you must be knowing that yeah, what all had happened. The train was completely filled with the zombies except the four people who was put in the isolated chamber. Except of them four, the all people were completely infected. In the last of the movie, in the earlier classes also I told about this virus. I have told that yeah, when this bacteria infect the people, in just 15 seconds the people get infected. Like in the movies also you must have seen that yeah, when the zombie eat the a healthy person and they go to other person, the healthy person the zombie infected person get ready and stand up to kill the other person, and that person also jump on the other person. This how the bacteria got spread in the whole train. This is how when the you must have seen that yeah, the last person who was the father on that train on the standing on the engine, he took so long time. The main engine, that person was also infected by the virus. When he ate the hand of the healthy person, he took a lot of time to infect. This is because of his immunity system. His immunity system was a very strong system. So because he took a very long time, and when he was almost died, he jumped out of the train so that his child could not get infected. And there was only one city according to that movie, that was Bugan, in which the infection has not came. When the girl and the pregnant wife was there, they both walked there, and the girl sing the song which she want to sing in the front of her father. Now you must be thinking that yeah, why I'm explaining the movie, because this movie is actually not made for entertainment purpose only. It is actually explaining what about the zombie bacteria. Now the zombie bacteria is currently in the ants only, but in future it is known that yeah, this bacteria will enter into the human body also. In my earlier classes I told that yeah, why the
Excuse
ants.
me, Aditya.
Yes.
Can you please tell me what is the real name of zombie virus?
If you have the in the WhatsApp group, I have sent it about a page link. If you have seen that page, in the below also I have written the real name of the bacteria. You must is only the real name of the bacteria which was given by the group of the scientists to that bacteria. to make it a different category of the bacteria and keep it far from the bacteria.
Yes, you are just explaining. I want to know what is the name.
Actually, it's a very bit, not bit, it's a very hard to pronunciate. That's why I cannot pronunciate it here because it's very hard.
Yes, I can pronunciate it.
Please.
It is the name of Apopix.
Topics.
Apocyps.
That is not the real name.
That is the scientific name
Yeah.
given by scientists.
Yeah, it's the scientific name, but it's not the real. In the group, I have sent it a real name which started from O. The Apopix is actually a scientific name when the zombies will infect the people. The whole city will get infected by the people, and that will be known as zombie Apopix. It's not actually a real name of the kind of the bacteria.
So,
Yeah.
as you told about the zombie virus, that I want to ask one question from you that if the zombie virus infected to the ant or the human, how much time it will take to see their reaction?
This, if the person has a weak immunity system, this will only take to 15 to 20 seconds. But in the movie also, you must have seen that the father took a lot
I
more
also
time.
want to ask a question. What's the purpose and what's the symptoms of the bacteria?
The symptoms are very unnatural. That are gray eyes. Okay, the holes on the skin, rusting. Sorry, not rusting. It's actually, what can I say about it? It's actually very creepy and it's look very disgusting. The skin turns into mostly orange color and all the hairs on your skin become white. These are the simple symptoms.
And
Can we
what
see by our eyes?
Yeah, they are visible by the eye. The symptoms are actually visible, but not the
I
bacteria.
have to
You
ask
must
one
have read in the
question.
slides.
That it is infected to our brain. So which part of the brain it infected?
Actually, the whole brain get infected. It's not like a immune.
No, it is the part where where it effect. From
Do
where?
you know? Do you know that from where does it start to infect the brain?
Yes.
It's actually brain does not have any kind of protection. It's only the skull, and the skull bacteria does not see that which kind of protection it is. They just enter the skeleton. They just enter the organs and they infect it.
No.
so
It infected to our hypothalamus gland.
But that's also part of brain,
Yes.
and they get into the brain.
You told brain have only the there is no scientific specs. You told that it is in skull, but it infected to the hypothalamus gland.
Yeah, because that's the easiest place. That's the easiest place to infect. But bacteria can infect anywhere, but they might get problems to infect the other places. That's why they use that area. But if they think and if they all try, they will infect the other parts of the brain also. First, they can try to infect your lungs. The signal to the pipe through which signals are sent to the lungs. They can infect first of all that area, or your the pipes of their hands which go directly to the brain. They can infect that areas.
so
Any
may-
area they can infect.
So you have explained about the brains and the lungs. So may you explain me that the zombie have brain or not?
The zombies does not have brain. They are bacteria. They hijack the other brains.
So as you told about that, see, I've just asked one question. Symptom of the zombie virus. So may you explain about the precaution of the zombie virus?
Precautions. Actually, the precautions are less, but then also I'm giving you some precautions that are given by the scientists only. Who look when the zombie come and they start infecting the humans. You must be first of all be far away from that person who look like they are sick, like they are again and again fall onto the ground because the zombie is hijacking their brain and they slowly lost their control over the body. That's why they again and again fall. This is the first precaution, to be far from that person. Second, if you see that a person is eyes are turning gray, then be far from that person also, or any animal or person whose eyeballs are completely gray. but you don't think that yeah, they are zombies. Be far from them also, because they are also the symptoms also.
So I also want to ask one question from you, that if we are just touching the current wire, if we are just feeling current, if the zombie will touch that current, so if the zombie will feel the current.
No, actually they will not feel, because they are not in the body. They are in the brain only. And if the current passes to the brain, they will feel.
No, you are saying wrong, because they were also getting the feeling current.
I'm telling. First, they are. I'm saying now that yeah, if the current passes to the brains also, they will feel the current, because they are completely in the brain. They are not in the human body. If the current passes in the brain, then only they will feel brain. And if electric current. But if the electric current is not in the brain, that yeah, then they will not feel any electric current.
So I also want to ask one question from you, that if why the zombie aren't able to climb on the staircase.
They aren't. They are able to climb.
No.
Yeah,
they
if
aren't able to.
if you have watched the movie, it's actually a serious movie. It's not made for that. And everything, the symptoms, the possibilities, the impossibilities are also shown in that movie only. Their zombies, the whole city, when they were infected, the whole police climbed on the stairs. They tried, but some of them tried to climb also, because they don't know how to climb on stairs, but they jump and climb mainly. They mainly jump, but sometimes they, while running also now, one of their leg is in the air only. Then if the staircase come in the middle, then yeah, the leg come in the stairs also. And this they do completely again and again, and this is how they learned. If they will come in the human now, and if they try to come on the staircase, then they will completely they will learn that yeah, how to climb on staircase, and they will climb.
Excuse me, Aditya. May you tell me
Sir,
this
they are
zombie
asking too
virus
much
is
question.
virus or fungal?
It's bacteria. It's not at all a virus. It is called a virus because it is bacteria. It's a kind of bacteria.
Can you say me what
But
the
it is a fungal.
Yeah, it is also found in the fungus, but it was first of all discovered, and it's now also in the bacteria only. In the fungus, for the fungus treatment has been found, and yeah, in the fungus they have been treated so that they could not infect the other fungus. Then the bacteria, but it's not found. If we try to add that antidote only, the bacteria will become more powerful and will start eating other bacteria twice the speed. That's why in bacteria only it's founded now, not in the fungi.
Can you say me what the color will change to when a human get the zombie virus? What the eye color will change?
It will turn into grey color.
You are saying that the movie is real type based that will come in future.
Yes.
In that train movie that has shown that the all zombie has green eyes. Why you are saying
Green
grey
eyes?
Yeah.
No. Zombies cannot have green eyes, because that's the green eye has green eyes humans have. The zombies have only grey eyes, because most of the in the bacteria part, when the bacteria comes, then most part of the bacteria is grey. That's why in the eyes and the hairs also turn into grey. And if you would look in the skin is only the place where it turns to orange, and it's not yet known that while only skin turn into orange, not any other thing.
You are telling about the movies, but for that eyes situation, I will tell you that the many movies are the different. They are showing the different eyes. They are showing the different styles, and all movie have their different category.
Yeah,
Which is the right one?
Let me tell you. The most movies are meant just for entertainment purpose. But this Train to Busan is made by the help of the group of the scientists to encourage people that don't do this type of experiment. In the school also, the student don't see that which type of experiment they are doing. They just do the experiment to find new things, but they are not able to find out. That's why the scientists have made this thing, made this type of movies. The Train to Busan is the one. Like this also, the Train to Busan, many movies are also made because of the scientist permission and the government permission, to encourage people not to do any unknown experiments which they do not know, or when the teachers or the main volunteer is not there, In the absence, we must not do any this type of activity, experiment or activities.
If anyone get the zombie bacteria, how we can recover him?
It's you are asking about the vaccination or the treatment, right?
Yeah.
It's not yet known. The zombies, if they are infected, it's not yet known.
Okay, if there is no any type of treatment of the zombie virus, then in movie, how they become well?
In which movie have you seen?
Then as you are telling about the movie, then how
Yeah.
they will become well or not?
No, in the most movies, the zombies actually are killed by the army. But in reality, or in the other movies
first
also,
me.
the zombies are not shown that they are treated, because in the most of the future, when the zombies will completely get lost from the human body, then also this vaccination will cannot be found.
You guys say the scientists know that the future will come zombie bacteria or virus, but why scientists are not trying to make zombie virus?
See,
medicine.
the most scientists who knows about it, who think that yeah, it is serious, and they've tried the experiment also, and which has been successful. They are still trying to find out the vaccination. But most zombies are not taking it. The most scientists are, and the medical sciences also not taking it serious. So most of them are ignoring it. And there are some scientists who need other scientists' help.
Yes.
Please turn by turn.
You told about movie. Is it in the world or not?
What?
The virus.
Yeah, it is in the world. I told about
It's
you.
still alive or not?
Yeah, it's still alive. I told now that yeah, completely the ants, not completely, sorry. The most of the ant colonies are infected by this bacteria.
Can you please tell me the first case?
The first case of ants.
First case, where does it come?
No, actually, it's not the case. It's actually an experiment. This was done by a group of scientists who was who was in the greed to find out the new things and make the world record. They started mixing up 4 to 5 components, and then they saw the result. This when they did it, they find out that yeah, two very creepy looking bacteria were made. They added more bacteria into it, the simple bacteria. They saw that yeah, the two bacteria are continuously eating them. So this is how the first of all the zombie bacteria was released.
I have one question. If anyone infected by zombie virus, then there is any chance to get their life back?
If you will see their current century, then it's not at all any chance to bring that person live back. But if you will see in the 2 to 3 century later, then if the scientists will be able to make the vaccination, then it is possible. But till now, if the zombie infect the humans, then it is not at all possible to bring the humans back.
In the lots of zombies movies, zombies will bite on your body, then you will also be a zombie. It is right or wrong?
This will actually the time will, as I have told earlier also, this time will depend on the immunity system, that in how much time the person will become another zombie.
In which country zombie virus found first?
This I don't know, because
Russia.
As I am not researched on it, that yeah, first of all in which country this was experiment, so I don't know about this.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I have one question. You said after infected we have 10 seconds. Then if we have infected and we have 10 seconds, what should we do for getting our life?
You must cut that part of your body so that the bacteria will not come to your body. If the zombie has eaten your hand, then you must before whenever the zombie run, you must cut that area, like your legs. Then you must cut your leg.
You have said that the zombie virus will take only 10 or 15 seconds. If zombie will bite you, it will go in your body very fast. Then you want to cut your whole body to get your life back.
No, I don't know. This the time will depend on the human immunity system. Till where area the bacteria will go now. In that area will become orange. Like if the zombie has eaten your hand, if your immunity system is very, very, very strong, then yeah, your hand will slowly become orange, very slowly. Okay, so if you have the time to cut that hand and be safe and save other also.
And what about the children? How many time it will take?
It depends on their immunity system. That yeah, if they eat really good green vegetables, then yeah, their immunity system will become very strong, and they are almost 30 seconds to 45 seconds in children.
But in now time, all children are using pastas and pizzas. That's type fast food.
Yeah, that is actually harming the immunity system. And if the immunity system is harmed and this virus come just now only, then yeah, in very soon, if the zombie bites you, then in only 10 to 15 seconds you will completely get infected. Because because the immunity system is not so strong to stop that bacteria, and that bacteria is not actually like a virus. It will replicate itself very soon. In 1 second, almost 2,000 to 3,000 copies it can make itself. So that's why while making the replication place very fastly, and the replication speed also depend on the immunity system.
Then children want to cut their whole body.
This I told now, this will depend on the immunity system only. If they are really very healthy food likey, they don't need any fast food, then
In the circle of that.
So when zombie
Because you
virus
are asking-
attack, how will we defend the world?
defend the world. First of all, there are many steps and there are many ways also. First of all, you will need a group of healthy persons. And if you think that the person is coming from the zombie, coming near from the zombies, and you think that they have the possibilities that they are infected, you must keep that person also in the isolation first of all. So that if they turn into zombie, that if they are really infected, then they will turn into zombies, and you will be safe from them also. And after this, if you can actually get a help from the scientific team. There is actually a helpful. The scientists will release a helpline number when the zombies will actually come. It's not actually them. The scientific team is going to launch a scientific team helpline number that will be given soon to every person.
Which type of tools or weapons we can use?
We can use X, pans, because the zombies, we know that it's on our brain, and if we cut the zombies head only, or if we damage their brain, then the zombies will automatically get killed because a part of their control is now lost.
Suppose in future there are lots of people will be a zombie. Then how can I defense with zombie?
Let first of all you imagine that you are in your house safely, and you have to go out to get your team. First of all, you will need a X.
But I live in alone. Then what will I do?
I'm telling. Let me tell. First of all, you live alone. Okay. You will need a powerful weapon that can just break your
Which
skull,
types
and
of weapons?
hammer, pan, X, screwdrivers.
Okay.
Many kind of weapons are there in the house which can actually damage the skeleton system. After damaging skeleton system, you will also need the knife. First of all, you need to take out the brain from that person. Okay.
Wait a minute. You told that take out the brain from that person. Then how can he alive?
That person is actually dead because that person is infected now. I'm telling to take out the brain of that infected person.
If I will take out that brain, then how can he alive?
I'm telling of a zombie.
Be safe or
I'm telling that only. Explain. Your question is also related with him question only. Sam explaining. First of all, you need to take out or just cut the brain of that any one zombie. Okay. Then the second thing you can do, tear the back side of the skin and just get inside the. Okay, you will first of all need to take out everything from that person, wear it as a cloth, and just roam like it, because the zombies need a smell, or they need a healthy looking person. And if they won't be able to see, they won't attack anyone. If they won't attack, you can get to your buddies very safely.
Yeah, you have early time you have said that the zombie will eat anything like a table, chair, anything.
Yes.
Why zombie are not eating vegetable? Why they are eating humans only?
Yes.
They are eating
Because
anything. Why they are not eating vegetables? Why they are eating only people?
To get the answer of this, you must ask from the zombies also. Because I only know. Because I just know that they eat anything.
But you have said that the zombie has only in ant. I can't speak.
Why are you asking from me? I am not a zombie infected person.
But you are not infected. Why you are telling about the zombie virus? How you know that in this much about
Because of the
zombie
research
virus?
of the scientist, I know.
Scientists are zombie.
Bacteria are zombies now. The scientists came to know. They informed. They wrote an article. Many people said it. They made many movies. Many people saw it, and many people are now aware of that bacteria.
So that,
In 1 second, in movie there are too much zombies shown. It is real or not?
That zombies.
Yeah.
No, they are actually not real. They are just made looking like
This is just
crap.
an imagination. You are previously you are saying that this is all the things is imagination.
No, I am not telling. This move. When the people were not knowing about this bacteria, then the people thought that there must be something really creepy looking. Then they made a zombie like a creature. Okay, they actually not made. They took many people and they did a makeup of them to make them looking like them, and they started looking. The makeup the person who are
Can I ask one question?
okay, ask.
Yes.
Asking from that.
We can see from our eyes or not
What?
the virus.
No, it's as small as a bacteria. We cannot see them. You need a microscope for seeing it.
so that
You
he
know,
has
zombies attack with group, and he can't attack alone.
No, they can actually attack. This depend on if the zombie has seen you. If because they don't inform the group that I have seen a person. Let's go and attack him. They first of all run to attack that person. And if the other zombies don't hear the run,
First and foremost, he can't see.
no, he see. They hijack our eyes also. If they first of all take completely the brain, okay, then they hijack the eyes. Actually, not the eyes, but retina, from which there is a pipe-like structure from which the retina send the signal to the brain, and the brain can see everything with the help of retina only. So they hijack a part of the pipe also. So that every message they come to the brain, they
But
see.
mind
So-
is working.
Yeah, the mind is working for the bacteria only, because the whole body is completely dead.
Yes.
The mind,
Paralyzed.
yeah, they are
can
completely
say that
paralyzed. But the eyes are only the thing that cannot be paralyzed, because in the eyes, only the back side of the eyes had the blood vessels. If you have seen the eye structure, and only the back side, and if they travel to the blood vessels also, they will just enter the back side. They will not be able to come in the front side because there is no support for them. No pipe-like structure is present.
So you are saying right that he has just asked one question: why the zombie is not eating the vegetable? That they suppose that if you have said about the immunity system, from that they are getting the immunity. That's why they aren't eating the vegetables.
Can be. It can be possible that, yeah. Any more questions?
Yes, I have one question.
Yes, ask.
You speak about movie, yes, na? Then it is in future it comes or not? May you please tell me?
Yeah, in future it has a complete chances. According to scientists, they have a complete chances that in future they will come into the humans also.
But you told me that is a chemical reaction. If the chemical reaction not be able to in future, then how could it come?
Listen, let me explain that experiment briefly. See, there were two scientists. They I don't know from which country they both were belonging, but
They are from Russia.
but the other scientists can be from China or Japan. So don't seem that they both were from Russia only. The possibilities are they can't be from both countries. They must have came to Russia for the experiment only. So they, as we know from the articles of them, that they were very greedy. This was told by the police who caught them. They actually they were very greedy of the money, and they wanted to make many world records. So one or two both practice on any chemicals and make new structures. They both worked on many type of chemicals. They saw the piece of garbage. The one of the scientists was going to throw it, but the other scientist said we must check it on the bacteria that what is it. when these garbage like looking things was injected on the bacteria, they saw that yeah, it was completely not complete, sorry, it was partially becoming to the gray color. And after a few moments, the bacteria started eating other bacteria. They traveled to other bacteria and eating it. They thought that yeah, it must be a hungry bacteria and very hungry because he cannot think anything. They must be eating. But when the first bacteria ate the other bacteria also became just like the looking, and they both attacked on many kind of bacteria, and they started infecting all the bacteria like this. When all the bacteria was infected, they all stand at the first and only at one place to see that yeah, are
Then-
there other bacteria or not.
Sorry for interrupting you, but how it came in end?
See, actually, it's not an end of it. The
And not, you told that it came from end.
and oh sorry,
Yes.
and they when they came to know that yeah, this infection was on the bacteria, they wanted to know that can this bacteria happen to these humans or also not. So first of all, they started on the mice. The mice also they were experimenting on the first mice, but just the problem was they did not have any chemical like substance so they can put in the injection on the mice because it's just bacteria. So but the slave just light on which the bacteria was there, they was on a jelly like substance. Okay, so a very small piece they was taken by the injection. Okay, and they was put in the ant because the ant has a perfect blood vessels for the bacteria, but the rice have very large blood vessels compared to the ants. That's why they were not wanting to put them in the mice, because if the mice become angry, they can break the glass pans and they will run away from there, and they will infect other mice and they will infect the humans also. So they injected in the ants, and this is how this virus bacteria came into the ants.
Said that the zombie has controlled human's brain. Zombie have their own voice or no?
No, actually, when the zombies get into the human body, according to the scientists, the zombie do not speak anything. They just open their mouth to just chaw.
You have said that the zombie are always getting from the group and they are always living in group. How they are talking from other?
Actually, they are not talking. When the group is completely infected, they just stand at just a perfect place for them. And if any one zombie any see now, then they will run. Then that zombie will run to a healthy person. By listening the running voice, the other zombie also get attracted, because zombie hear the running voice only. When they see that yeah, the zombie of their group only is running, they also start running behind him. If whether they see anyone or not, they will run in back of their zombies.
You have
only.
said that the zombie are running in the human healthy humans. Why zombie are not running in for the weak humans?
Weak humans.
Yeah, means the
Thin human.
thin humans. Sorry.
From healthy humans, I mean that yeah, all the humans that are not infected by the virus.
Yes.
So as you all have ended the questions, so let me end this session also. So guys, you have got a rough knowledge that yeah, what is zombie virus, and the question that you asked in my institute, you must have also thought in your brain, and that answers I have given. And if you have got more questions in your mind, please add that question in the comment section. That yeah, the question will reach to me, and I will answer you in the next video. If you like this topic, then please like this video, subscribe to this channel to get the more information as first of all when this video is released. Thank you.